All right. Did you bring your work plan? Get your work. Boys and girls, you should not be working right now. Put your pencils down, please. You need to do more. No, there's 3 to a group. Dallas, there are 3 to a group, Dallas. I told you that yesterday, boys and girls. You all know. Yes, my darling, you need a pencil. Why is it that all of you all don't have markers and all of you have been given markers? Why is that? Where is your marker that you had? Where is your marker that you had, Deshaun?
I'm searching around looking for it. I think it's in my box or somewhere, or I took it out.
Boys and girls, you should have markers because you've been given markers. Now, if I have to call your names down there, excuse me, let me get your attention. I shouldn't see playing, juggling, or anything like that down there. Like I said before, if I see that happening, I will send you back to your desk. Do you understand, boys and girls? All right, good job. Did you get me one of those, Cole? Give me one of those. All right. Give me one of the things, Cole. One of these, right there. Yes, thank you, Cole. All right, boys and girls, we've been talking about repeated addition. Let me ask y'all something. Would 1 plus 2 plus 3 be repeated addition? Do you think so? What about you? Why wouldn't it be repeated addition?
Because
Just put it on your clipboard.
the numbers are different.
They're different, and when we do repeated addition, they have to be what?
The same.
The same. And when we make our arrays, do we have different amounts on each line? Let's look. Let's see. What if I did this? What if I did that? How many rows would that be? Should you be writing right now? Should you be writing right now? Should your pencil be down right now? Good job, thanks. How many rows do we have? Cole, how many rows do you see? 4 rows. You see 4 rows. How many rows do you see tonight? 10 rows. How many rows? Okay, boys and girls. What did we say? When you guys sit in rows, row 1 stand up, that whole row. Do I count each person, or do I say that's 1 row? 1 row. We have 1 row right here, 1 row right here, 1 row right here, and 1 row right here. How many rows do we have, boys and girls? How many rows do we have? Did you see, did I do this 10 times? Did I? Should I count every single thing on the row to find out if it's a row or not? No. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay? This is very important because you guys are going to see it over and over again, alright? Okay. Now today we're talking about placement. We're talking about part whole boxes. Okay? And we've been doing these part holes a lot, haven't we? When we see this small square box at the top, what does that stand for? What does this start small?
number that's in the box?
That's in the whole box or in just one part?
In the whole box.
In the whole box. And we call that number our
Oh.
whole. Good job, Chastity. We call that number our whole. And in a whole, we have parts, don't we? Sometimes we have 2 parts, sometimes 3, 5, it could be 100 parts too. It could, depending on how many times we want to add, right? How many parts do we have here in number 1? How many parts do you think we have? You think we have 10 parts? How many boxes do you see got that big box?
2. 2.
What about you? What do you think?
2.
Alright, we have 2 parts. Good job, everybody. Good job. Come on, Cole. Alright, we have 2 parts in this whole, okay? How much do we have in each part? Look at your papers. Look at each part. How many do we have in each part? We have 10 in each part? What do you think we have, ladies?
2.
We have 2 in each part?
5.
You say 5? What do you say? What do you say, Jerry? Alright, we said we have 2 parts. So this is a part, and that's a part, right? Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have how many in each part? 5. So our number sentence, boys and girls, would be 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good job. Very good job. Let's look at number 2. Alright, I hear Deshaun. I hear Mason. I hear Mallory. So I need Deshaun, Mallory, and Mason to go back to their desk. You all have a 5-minute timeout. Deshaun, Mallory, and Mason, head back to your desk. All right, boys and girls. So let's look at number 2. Let's look at number 2. It says Mika has 4 groups of playing cards. How many rows would that be? 4. How many? Good job. That would be 4 because she has 4 groups, right? Because a row is just a group, isn't it? What about a part? Is a part a group? I would say so. So how many groups does she have? 4. So how many parts does she have? 4. She has 4 parts. Okay, but it says, and if there are 4 cards in each group, how many does she have? So how many do I need in each part? 4. 4. Okay. So let me give row 4. Cassidy 4. Emma 4. Now, Mika, you all are Mika, and you have 4 groups, and you each have 4. And I want to know how many counters you have in all. What could I do to figure out how many you have in all?
You can spread them out and then you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, well, let's put them up here and let's figure that out. Okay. So all 4 of you are Mika right now.
All 4.
Do you guys think that you could arrange that in an array? See if you can arrange it in an array.
I say it's 6.
Now we said she has 4 groups. So how many rows would that be for your array? How many rows would it be for your array?
4.
It would be 4 rows. Do you guys have 4 rows? I see 1 row.
I see 1 right there.
Okay, let's make 4 rows. Come on, Cole. Zanaya, help them make 4 rows. Do rows stack on each other or do they go side by side?
Side by side.
So you're going to put them all in a line like that? Is that how you see your arrays? No, you gotta see it. How many are on each row? 4. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here.
But there's 1 left out.
Okay, so is that an array what you guys have made? Look at that. Everybody look at that. We've been doing
Hey, did Mason bring some money this morning?
I don't think so.
Are you taking your notes on your phone? Remind her in the morning to send your money, okay?
Victoria, go ahead and go.